guys like my new shoes? I got them yesterday. Right now we're driving to Target. It's like okay, before we used to live in California, we would always go to this other place. It wasn't Walmart, it wasn't Target, it was this other place, I can't remember. But we always used to hate Target, and now we love Target. The lake is really nice. Lock.
We don't need that one. I'll show you a different one. Buy this class.
We need a lock.
You need a lock for your gym because you already have a lock that's already attached to the locker.
Yeah. No, you may not look. We are going down to the video game section because we want to look. Look at somebody just did. I was going to grab eggs and somebody just dropped the thing. Last scene you saw a guy. Unlock the car! Guy smashed a gallon of milk, and well, he didn't like intentionally smash it, but he spilled it on accident, and that was pretty funny. Okay, so right now it is my friend's birthday, so I'm eating cake upstairs. So I will see you when I'm leaving. We're heading home. Heading home. I got M&M's. And it seems like it's gonna storm out. I'm back home. Yay! Now I can finally yell! Feels so nice. Today's video wasn't as interesting as the other ones. That was only because that we were gonna do something different, and I had a whole thing planned, but then I figured out that it was canceled and we were doing a different thing. So then I had a whole different idea. I had to get a whole different idea, which I didn't have time to do. So now I just did the vlog. So it might not be as interesting. We are having like major thunder. And we even had a flash flood warning. Look at that. I'm getting my arm wet from here.
Let's go in the garage.
Yeah, let's go in the garage. You guys may not be able to see me. Here, I'll use my phone as lighting. So, yeah. So it is pouring really bad. I am using the sand for lighting. But it is pouring really bad. Yeah. And I still haven't vlogged.